friends, welcome back to our channel Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. So in this video I am sharing you pranayama exercise how to do simply and fastly with knowing of benefits also. Without further delay we start our video. Now in this video I am sharing pranayama exercise. What is pranayama exercise? Pranayama means in that word only we are getting that pranam. Pranam is nothing but life. Like how we have soul in our body. Without soul the body is useless, isn't it? Yes. Without body our soul is also useless. So with a living thing means with our soul only all living things have life. This all life is known as pranam. This is known as pranayama. Okay. Now I am sharing the three main exercises of pranayama. That is Anulom Vilom Pranayam, and second one is Ujjayi Pranayam, and third one is Brahmani Pranayam. Okay. Now we start our first pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is very simply method of doing this pranayama. Okay. First take your right hand and keep your thumb finger at the right nostrils. Right nostril is this side and left nostril is this side. So take your thumb finger and keep at the right nostril. Okay. Now close your index finger and middle finger. You have to close this index finger and middle finger also. Okay. Now like this. This is the right position of Anulom Vilom. Thumb finger at right nostrils and ring finger at left nostrils. Okay. Now close the right nostrils with your thumb finger and inhale in the left nostrils. Okay. Inhale. Now stay there for 16 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now exhale from right nostril. Now again inhale from right nostril. Now stay there for 16 seconds. And exhale from left nostrils. Again inhale from left nostrils. Now exhale from right nostrils. Again inhale from right nostrils. Exhale from left nostrils. Okay. Now here what we have to know means if we take inhale for 6 seconds, at the 6 seconds time only we have to exhale also. Inhale 6 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. Again inhale from left nostrils to 6 seconds, again exhale 6 seconds. So this is the time period of this Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Now we are going to Ujjayi Pranayam. That is our second pranayam. Now Ujjayi Pranayam. While doing this Ujjayi Pranayam, we have to give exhale sound like soft sound motion. Okay. Let's start. Now we have to first inhale deep breath inside. Now exhale with this sound. Again inhale. Exhale. So this is our Ujjayi Pranayam exercise. Means Hindus how they do like oh like that only we have to give small sound like with closed mouth. Like once again we start to we repeat it. Like while inhaling and while exhaling also doing this sound very important to our throat also. It's very beneficial for our throat also. Again we start. So this is our pranayam, Ujjayi pranayam. Okay. Now we are going to third pranayam, that is Bhramari pranayam. Well, Bhramari pranayam is very useful, very beneficial for our health. Okay. And Bhramari pranayam is very easy, and we can call this Bhramari pranayam also as honeybee pranayam. Okay. We start this Bhramari pranayam. Now take your both thumb fingers and close your ears cartilage. This is your ears cartilage. Now we have to close this ear cartilage with both thumb fingers. And now take your index finger and keep it near your eyebrows. And take your middle finger and below the eyes like this. And now take your ring finger and keep near your nose. And your little fingers at your lips. Now this is our right way of keeping Bhramari pranayam position. Okay. Otherwise you can keep your index finger above your eyes also like this. We can close your eyes with this index finger also like this. Okay. This was the right position. Now what we have to do is, now we have to inhale and exhale by doing the sound of honeybee sound. While doing this, we will get the sound of honeybee. Okay, let's start. Inhale. Okay, now we have to remove our hands. Now rub your hands. It should become very heat, and put on your face. Okay, now our 3 exercises are completed. Now what are the 3 exercises? Today we learned that Anulom Vilom exercise, and second one is Ujjayi pranayam, and third one is Bhramari pranayam. These 3 pranayams are very beneficial for our health. Now we will know that what are the beneficial for our health, how this yoga pranayama helps us. Okay. According to the study of 2013 year tells that decreases stress, means this pranayama decreases our stress and reduced perceived stress levels in healthy young adults. Okay, and mainly this pranayam helps us for increases oxygen level. The main pandemic situation we are facing now, this is very important, this benefit. Okay, and now it improves sleep quality and increases mindfulness, enhances cognitive performance, reduces cigarette carvings, and improves lung function also. These are the so many benefits we are getting from doing this pranayam. Okay, and we have to know this, means when we have to do this pranayam, okay, early in the morning, after wake up, early in the morning before 5 to 7, okay, go and sit near your terrace and sit near under the sunlight. Okay, this is very beneficial for us. So sitting in the sunlight and do this not only in the sunlight, we can do in our rooms, in our bed, in our sofa, wherever we can, in a normal Vajrasana position. This normal sitting position only we have to sit. And do this pranayama in the empty stomach. We should not eat anything in the morning. So in the early morning, do this. This is very beneficial for us. And before sleep, if you have any cold, okay, then we will get rid of this pranayam. Before sleeping in the bed itself, you do this exercise pranayam. It is very useful for you. Okay, and now in the present pandemic situation, the COVID-19, so many are suffering from this. Main topic was oxygen level problem. Okay, oxygen decreases. Oxygen level decreases. No, they did not take oxygen frequently like how we take now. So many are suffering from this oxygen problem. So I'll give one suggestion for them to do. Each and everyone from child to an old person also can do this pranayam. It is very beneficial for them. Okay, so you can check also. First, before doing this pranayam, take an oximeter and keep it here and just check your oxygen level. Maybe that time it will be 91 or 90% of oxygen in your body. And after doing this pranayam, once check it again with oximeter. It really changes, it really increases your oxygen level. From before we will get 90, and after that oximeter checking, after that once do this exercise pranayam, and you will get instant results of that, quick results of that. Okay, and do this exercise every day in the morning and night also. It will be very beneficial for your health. I hope you like this video. So please share this video with your friends, relatives and others also, because this may helpful for them in the pandemic situation we are facing now. So this is a very important thing we have to do every day. So they may helpful, they may get useful this video. So please share with your friends and family members. Okay? And if you like this video, please like this video, share this video, comment this video how the video was. And without be late, please subscribe our channel, and after subscribing, please click the bell icon and click all to get new notifications. So thank you so much for seeing this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet with a very beautiful video, very beneficial video, and for more recipes also you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.